Good morning. I hope everybody's having a good day today. I hope y'all are doing well and you're healthy and your family is all healthy. I wanted to get on here real quick and do a quick video to give you directions on what I wanted you to do for your assignment for today. So for today, I want you to click on, go to our classroom and click on the unit we're in now, Waves. Click on that. You want to scroll down to today's date. It is not published yet because I'm making this video. I'm going to put this, as soon as I put this video in here for real, then I'm going to publish it. But it'll say Friday, oops, it says 11/21. I'll fix that real quick. It should say 1/21/22. Behavior of Waves, Notes, and Quiz. So when you click on that, the first thing will be directions, which will be this video. So if you click on the directions, I've put another video in there for right now, just to show you what it would look like. When you open it up, there will be a video in there that you'll click play, and it'll be this video that I'm making now that'll explain what I want you to do for today. But there's the directions for today. Then the second thing is your notes, Behavior of Waves Notes. Click on that assignment. When you go in there, this will be the next page in your packet, and at the top, the title of it says Behavior of Waves Notes. This says, find the Behavior of Waves Notes sheet in your packet. Highlight and annotate your notes just like I have done below. I will check them when we get back to school on Monday. Okay, so I'll put a picture of how I highlighted and annotated my notes. I want you to notice there are some key words here, the law of reflection, and then this gives the definition of the law of reflection. Basically, the law of reflection states that if an angle hits like a reflective surface, the reflection is exactly the same at the same angle. So it says the angle of incidence, which is where it strikes the surface, maybe of a mirror or of water or something like that. So the angle of incidence of a wave is always equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, so right here you have the blue arrow is the angle of incidence, the red or orange arrow is the angle of reflection, and they are both at the same angle. Okay, because that's the law of reflection. They would both be at the same angle. And right here I said that they always are equal to each other. The next word is reflection. Reflection, that occurs when a wave strikes an object and bounces off of it. Okay, that should be the word off, O-F-F. And all types of waves are reflected. Okay, an example, sound waves, water, light waves. An example of a sound wave that reflects is when you hear an echo. If you hear an echo, that's a sound wave bouncing off of something. Okay, that's why I put the word bounces off right here. The word refraction is right here, and that's a bending of a wave, but it's caused by a change in its speed as it moves from one medium to another. So look right here, a pencil, you see a pencil, but right here it's basically, it's behind the glass, but it's also in the air, but then it goes down into the water. So once the pencil goes down into the water, it looks like the pencil is broken down in the water, but it's not. It's actually because of refraction, the bending of the wave, because now the pencil, half of the pencil is in the water and half the pencil is out of the water, so it looks like it's bending. Okay, but it's like a trick of your eye. Okay, but it's caused by refraction. The greater the change in the speed, the more the wave bends. So the faster or more change in the speed, so the more refracted or bent that it will look. Diffraction, it also bends waves, but it's This is an object causes a wave to change direction and bend towards it. Okay, so when you have diffraction, waves pass around an object. When you have refraction, waves pass through an object. Okay, both refraction and diffraction cause waves to bend, but refraction happens when waves pass through an object. Diffraction occurs when waves pass around an object. Okay, and then the last word is inference. Inference is when two or more waves overlap and combine to form a new wave. And there's two types of inference. You have constructive inference. That's when waves get fall in together and they actually just coincide and form a sequence and make a bigger wave. Okay, so it's like they add to one another. They make it a bigger wave than the two smaller waves that added together. You can also have destructive interference. That's when the waves go totally against each other, and in that case they subtract each other out and make it less than they were to begin with. Okay, so go through and annotate and highlight your notes, and I will check these when we get back to school. If you have any questions about it, send me a message in Schoology. The last thing in your folder for today is a quiz about the stuff on this paper. So let me show you that real quick. If you'll go to the Behavior of Waves quiz, you actually need to skip 2 pages in your packet to get to the quiz. There's a little lab in there that I'm hoping we can do when we get back to school when we're all together. I'm skipping that lab right now and moving on to the quiz. But read these questions and use the notes you just annotated and highlighted to answer the questions on this quiz. And we'll go over these answers together Monday, and I'll check your quiz at that time. I do want to show you, basically these are just those highlighted vocabulary words pretty much that are in the notes. So go back on the notes and read what it says about each of these things, and you should be able to easily match them with the answer. Number 6 says compare and contrast refraction and diffraction. Now, I specifically wrote some things on your notes page to help you with that. So go back and where it says refraction and diffraction, go in and say what things are the same and what things might be different. Okay? If you have any questions, send me a message. I hope y'all are doing good, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.